We are live here at Young's Plant Farm, the big field day here in Alabama. And boy, do our super straw flowers look great. This is the Granvia series, and new for 2024 is Granvia White. You see, these are like big marshmallows. Nice, like a fried egg here with the white and the yellow. Real nice crisp white, not a dirty white. We have like Granvia Pink's been out a while. Yeah, really gorgeous pink, sunny yellow centers. And here's the peachy keen. I call this like an Arnold Palmer. It's like a iced tea and lemonade effect when it's closed. So peachy keen. And Granvia Gold, sweeping the awards at all the trials the past few years. Just amazing spring, summer through fall. Excellent in fall programs. And here's the one everyone's been waiting for, the Granvia Crimson Sun. Just look at how gorgeous these red flowers are. Another awesome item. And there you have it, the Granvia series.